Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNAT. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before. I don't remember the last time I did it, but regardless, want to get things updated here. Pretty crazy movement today. Not only that, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume the chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into next week. The main dynamic here is the price has now started to enter territory that it hasn't seen for quite a while, but it's entered into the territory where, previous times when it's been down around this general area, there have been some nice moves, and that area is right down around $1.15. And, why is $1.15, an interesting area? Well, the last time it was down here was back here, actually still back in 2018, and you can see got a nice bounce from there. And today you can see the price didn't quite get down to that point exactly, but it's definitely within the range. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price is down within a range where previously there was a very nice bounce, does that mean that for sure a nice bounce is going to occur? No, there are no such thing as a for sure in the market. However, would I be shocked if and I'm not saying it'll necessarily happen Monday, so maybe, spend the early part of the day or early part of the week going sideways and then get some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all, but again, that is, not a guarantee. Guarantees do not exist in the market, so don't go and grab your lunch money and throw it into this because some guy on YouTube said this is for sure going to bounce. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that it would not be shocking, and it's at least logical to wonder if it could bounce. If there was never any past history of it bouncing around this area, then at that point it'd be like, wait, why are you saying it's going to bounce? It's never done it before, so why right now? But that's not the case here. It actually has bounced from this area, so it at least makes logical sense to question that. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, if there is some sort of bounce, is going to be right here at right around the $1.50 mark. If the price can get up above $1.50, next key level after that, right up around $1.75. So that makes it easy. $1.50, $1.75, near-term levels of resistance if this thing does try to turn itself around. But as always with plays and setups like this, got to have risk management, got to have risk control systems in place because you don't want to get stuck in something that starts to bleed into oblivion. But as of right now, looking pretty interesting, so we'll see how next week plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.